God. That was upsetting. Don't ever do that again. Your hair's so big this morning. It just bounced up when you did that.
Huh?
Your hair just bounced up when you were like... You have hairy legs. Hairy armpits, goddamn. Oh, you got like pubes under those tits.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Why are you rolling all over? Oh my god, your hair just still like poofs out. You can't see, there's like no person, but there's like pubes like sticking out. Donut. She ruins like every video. Donut, I love you. What was that?
Remember the
What,
video?
no, what did you say? Say it again.
What?
Say it again.
Hair?
No, say what you just said.
Hair.
Jane, I love you. Jane, I love you.